In this video, we are asked to find the values of x for log x squared plus 13x in base 10 equal to 1 plus log x plus 1 or in base 10. So we are given that log x squared plus 13x in base 10 is equal to 1 plus log x plus 1 or in base 10. Now recall that since we have our logarithm expressed in base 10, log 10 to base 10 is equal to 1. This is because logarithm to its base is equal to 1. So anywhere we see 1, we replace it by log 10 to base 10. Thus, the equation becomes log x squared plus 13x in base 10 is equal to log 10 to base 10 plus log x plus 1 or in base 10. Now, looking at the right hand side, we can apply the addition law of logarithm. So the equation now becomes log x squared plus 13x in base 10 is equal to log 10 times x plus 1 or in base 10. Now we use the 10 to open up the bracket, so we have it that this becomes log x squared plus 13x in base 10 is equal to log 10 times x is 10x, 10 times 1 is 10, all in base 10. Now since we have the same base, which is all in base 10, the equation now becomes x squared plus 13x is equal to 10x plus 10. Now, if we move all the terms at the right hand side to the left hand side, the equation becomes x squared plus 13x minus 10x minus 10 equal to 0. So we have it that this is x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation which we can solve to obtain the values of x. Now we will be solving the equation using the factorization method. So we look for two integers whereby their sum is equal to plus 3 and their product is equal to minus 10. So the two integers are plus 5 and minus 2. Thus, the equation becomes x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have that this becomes x, open your bracket, x plus 5 minus 2, open your bracket, x plus 5 equal to 0. So we have that this is x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 equal to 0. Also recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Thus, we have it that x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 5. Now we have been able to obtain the values of x, that is plus 2 and minus 5. Thank you so much for watching. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.